I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install and use OpenCode on Ubuntu operating system. So opening their terminal. So let's open their terminal. Now thereafter, the next is here making the size little bigger. Now thereafter in Google search box, write their OpenCode, then go on this opencode.ai site. So opening this. Then here you can get this command curl. By using this curl, we can easily install this OpenCode inside the Ubuntu. So this command, that's copying and paste it there. So paste it there. Now installing OpenCode. This is the version 1.215 is the version, and this is currently installing. The second option here, you can also try with npm. You can use bun, blue and this. Okay, npm you can also try. Now here, this is the percentage that's done here. Now you can see successfully added OpenCode at this part. And to start using, so if you write there OpenCode this place, then you can get this message not recognized. Now thereafter here, if I write pwd percent working directory, this one, and here OpenCode inside this, and now if I write there which OpenCode or which is not displaying the proper path, let's include there where open code command is not displaying anything. So what I'm trying to do, so let's here include which open code. So you can see this here, this is displaying the record data, and here inside Adam then dot open code. So that here using this cd dot open code directory that change, and the next is here, after that here this is inside the bin directory. So let's use the cd bin. Now next you need to write their open code. Okay, okay, what we need to do, so this is here previous windows that's open. Now you need to open their new window. So new window, open code. Now if you write, then this is opening here. This is opening. So this is a previous window that's I'm using, so that this message that's getting there. Now in the new window, this open code that's open. After that, there you can write any query. Let's write the hi. So this is getting the message. Let's include there what exactly open code is. Now you can't, first this is thinking. Now this is searching from, and here now I'm getting this message. Work with any models, LSP enable, multi-session, shared link, integration, privacy and focused. Doesn't store your code or context data. So free, open source, CLI, ID. So this is how we can install their open code inside the Ubuntu operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.